What's up, everybody? It's your girl Amber Ashli. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. I talk about fashion, money, and food now. I was also talking about music, but I'm not talking about music. I just incorporate my original music into my videos. So if you happen to hear that, that's what you hear sometimes. Otherwise, I do credit, obviously, the music in the videos, but I'm rambling. So by this video title, I'm going to be talking about a couple of brands that I love, that I've came across over the years, that I think you all would be interested in. Some of them I have used on shoots, and some of them I actually haven't purchased yet, but I will be this week. So when I get the items in, I'll make another video about the items and how they look. But if you're interested in any of these brands, definitely check the description box below. The website and their Instagram will be posted there, and make a purchase. So I'm just gonna jump right in. All right, my phone here, I have it listed, but what I'm probably gonna do is show pictures and do a voiceover. So if I clip it out, just know that's what's happening. All right, so the first brand is JW Pay. They are a handbag company. I love the designs. They use a lot of vibrant, different colors and a lot of different styles. Also, the fabric on the bags are different. Next brand is TLZ Fem. That means to live zealously femme. And she does a lot of probably what you see on the artists happening right now in this day and age. A lot of artists have worn her work. Normani's video with the silver set, she did that custom design. Beyonce's worn her design. But she does a lot of asymmetrical pieces, two sets, and a lot of showing your skin and your body. Very sexy. The next brand is Wanda Nylon. I've actually used her on a shoot I've done a couple months ago, but it's not published yet, so I won't show those clips. But what I will show is her work, and she's a women's wear designer. Very, I would say contemporary slash modern, but it's quality clothing. All of these items are quality clothing. The next brand is Materiel with an E, and again, I've used that their items on a photo shoot that I've styled. And women's wear, ready to wear, very structured suit, contemporary, modern pieces. So I love that fact. Think about like a high-end express, so something like that. And then the last brand I'm going to mention is a sunglasses brand, which you may have all heard, Haute Life World. Sunglasses, all types, all styles. I'll show some clips as well. And if you're in a sunny state, or even if you're not in a sunny state, get you some glasses. I personally love glasses. I have a bunch, and it doesn't have to be name brand. As long as you know how to rock it, you good. So that's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed these designers that I'm loving right now. Again, check the description box below. Check their website, because you can definitely see all, their current pieces online right now, and also their Instagram. Be sure to support them and follow them if you do like any of these brands. And let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite? Would you wear any of these brands? Comment in the description box. Comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you don't, it's totally cool too. And if you like my content, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Be safe, stay blessed, and drink your water. All right, peace.